Hey guys, Rajat back here with another video, and today I have with me this Blitzwolf. I don't know how you pronounce it. Let's say Blitzwolf Bts1. So this is how the box looks like. These are the basic Bluetooth earphones. These are the sports style. So this is how the box looks like. You guys can see the specifications and all stuff. Having this 10-meter range, 110 mAh battery life, 110 mAh battery inside, and that's how the packaging is. So let's open up the box. I already done the unboxing, so I'm just making this video for you guys. And these headphones are sold for around 14 to 1500 rupees on Amazon.com as well as on Banggood.com. So yeah, that's how it looks like. So this is the case that you get with the headphone. Then we have this, what it is, documentation and all. So this is the user manual. You should check this out. So yeah, let's keep it back in box. I've already used these for now almost 2 weeks, and these have been performing really well, I have to say. So yeah, let's put it. So in the case, the carrying case is actually really good quality. You get the earphones itself. We get a micro USB to USB cable for charging, and we get extra ear tips and ear hooks. So yeah, there's one for every ear. You can try yours. Let's put these things back inside and let's have a look at the headphones itself or earphones itself. So yeah, it is having this magnetic connection like this, both the earphones joins. So if we have a look here, at the earphones, we have get the Blitzwolf branding. The brand is fairly new, but the products are really good, I have to say. I have tried these earphones and one more product. That video is also coming soon. So yeah, that video is also coming soon. So this is the earphone. This is the inline remote and all that stuff. This is for powering it on. This is volume plus. On the side we get the micro USB port for charging, which is under this flap. Since these are Bluetooth headphones and it's waterproof, it comes with IPX4 rating, so you don't have to worry about sweat or anything like that. You can use it in rain and conditions like that. There is an inline mic also, and I guess that is the tiny LED which glows. And if we have a look at the earphones, these aren't very big, though you might have problem fitting it inside a helmet or something like that, but I don't think you guys will use this while driving. So yeah, let's power it on. Yeah, so it's powered on. It's in the pairing mode. Let's pair it up. So yeah, it connects under the Bts1, and I don't think there is a need to play any track or something like that. And also the best part, you guys can connect two Bluetooth devices at the same time. Means you can connect it with two phones at the same times, but obviously the audio will be from one at a time. It's easier to switch between two phones, so that's why that functionality is there. So if we have a look, if we talk about the audio quality now, for the price of 1500 to 2000 rupees, I guess these are really good for that price. It's having good crisp vocals, and the bass is not that strong. It's very, I can say, It's very well balanced. The treble is on a little higher side, to be honest, and it totally depends on you what kind of a person you are. So yeah, that's it. And if you talk about the battery life on this is really good. It easily lasts 4 to 5 hours of music time. That obviously depends on your usage, if you use it at max volume and something like that. And also it gets very loud. Loudness level is good on these earphones, and it's charges via this micro USB port and takes only 30 to 40 minutes, so no problems there as well. So the question is, should you go for this product or not? Well, I will say definitely go for it. If you are getting it at a price of 1500 to 1600 rupees, these are worth it headphones. I have tested it for a long period of time, no pain in the ear, and it doesn't feel any heavier like that. So yeah, you get this carrying case, you get warranty also from banquet.com. So I would recommend you to go for it, and there's an anniversary sale going on right now, so it might be on sale or something. So I will provide the link below. Please use the link below if you want to buy this product. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please press that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.